Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a customized course homepage in D2L Brightspace. From your course homepage, click on Course Admin in the navigation bar to access your course tools. Under the Site Setup section, click on Homepages. This is where you'll manage your course landing page layout. Find the current active homepage in the list. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and select Copy. This allows you to edit a version without affecting the original. Click the drop-down next to your new homepage and select Edit. You can rename it. You can add or remove widgets. And you can insert announcements, the calendar, content browser. You can adjust the layout. And once you're satisfied with your setup, you can scroll down and save and close. Back on your homepages list, you can use the drop down under the homepages, and then you click on the one you saved, then click apply to activate it. And that's it. You've now created a custom homepage that helps students start your course with clarity and ease.